tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are on a small trip to Brampton, which is about 4.5 hours from Sudbury, actually 4 hours, but we have a plan to take small stops in between and you know, take our time and go, because you have a toddler who you probably think is gonna behave, but you never know. And then me being today is my first day of my third trimester, so I'm 28-week pregnant. So for my understanding, third trimester starts from 28 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, the mama needs to pee so many times, and so we're just gonna, you know, we have some time with us, because okay, so Sudbury is, I mean, entire Ontario is in a lockdown. Only the essential services are open, but the, you know, we are going for something really important which cannot be avoided, for, you know, cannot be pushed for a couple of weeks, otherwise we would have. So this is something really important, so that's why we are going. Otherwise I wouldn't have, because I wouldn't dare to travel with a, you know, 1.5-year-old. So that's the plan. Now we're gonna start. He's all bundled up, you know, cozy in there. Probably he's gonna, you know, sleep for a couple of hours. We'll see how it goes. We have everything that we need, you know. Daddy is all set. So yeah, just gonna take God's name and start from here and hope this one doesn't get upset, and you know, we have a smooth travel, because I am scared.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Tired? Wakey, good morning. First stop, Vaughan, right? What is this, Barry?
Kind of.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, kind of Barry.
Okay.
What a fact depends.
So we're just gonna freshen up, go to the washroom, and probably get some coffee, because I don't know about him, but I really need some caffeine for it. Someone's not happy, but he did so good. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So both of them are going actually, so Daddy can change Kabir's clothes and diaper, and actually there is a baby family room, so they're gonna go there so he can change him, and then we're gonna probably order some breakfast. He seems to be doing okay. So once they are done, Jeet is gonna call me, and then probably we're gonna get some breakfast, because there are Tim Hortons, Burger King, Subway and Starbucks too. So I'm gonna get some coffee, and the place we are going is, I think, 45 minutes from this place, so not much. So we're gonna go there and finish up our work and head home as soon as possible, because I'm like I don't know, I'm tired, I need rest. And before that I'm really hungry and I need to take my prenatals and other nausea medicine, because I don't want to get nauseous while we are traveling. So food. Bought some cereal for Kabir so he can have his breakfast now. We reached our destination and yeah, let's have brekkie. Boy, good boy. Are you happy? Daddy, can you see happy Kabir?
I'll put the mirror.
Here is happy Kabir.
Hi, Kabu.
Hi there, Baba. He did so good, no? Yeah.
What time is it?
So our work is done. Luckily it just took us about half an hour and it was really important. And now it's time to really eat and do some paid puja, because I'm really hungry. And this one is fed, so that's a good thing. So let's eat something.
1 second.
I'm really hungry. Straw?
Stalls. Thank you. Corn.
About 3-hour journey to cover. Now we're gonna take a stop because I'm gonna go pee. So this is anyways Kabir's nap time, so he's napping. And yeah, the way to survive with a small toddler is always, as everyone suggests, lot of snacks and option of small toys. Though I mean we started pretty early, so he was sleeping the entire way, entire inward way, and so even now he's sleeping. So we didn't actually took out any of the toys, but just in case. Then I think it's after 4 months he actually watched Cocomelon. He wasn't interested, and I thought after 4 months when we're gonna play Cocomelon he'd be like, yeah, all smiling, but he wasn't much interested. So probably that's a good thing that he's not interested in phone or iPads and stuff. So that's really good. I don't want to I just don't want to encourage this habit of putting iPad, but just to survive the road journey, anything. So I just bought it just in case. So he's sleeping. Usually he takes about 2.5 to 3 hours nap. So let's see.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Kabir, are you too tired to kick the ball? Kabir, kick. Kick. Go get the ball. Oh, you want to play with the car? That's okay. Play with the car. So, Jeet is gonna have vada and idli combo. That is one of your favorite, right?
Kind of.
Okay. What's that?
Huh?
What's that? The other one. You want?
Hey.
You want some?
ये चटनी है लस्सी
You wanna share? Oh, that's the coconut chutney, I guess.
ये वाली डाल दो चम्मच में.
Yeah.
पतली है.
Who mixes sambar and chutney together?
I do.
And what's that?
चटनी.
Are you seriously mixing all the chutney together?
अंदर चटनी तो मिक्स होना सब.
Anyways, and I got myself masala dosa. And what was the other dosa? Chettinad Kala dosa or Chettinad Kada dosa, something like that. But I haven't had my coffee yet.
ये तो ठंडा है.
Thanks to Cheat, I'm gonna have my coffee now. Anyways, so I'm gonna finish my coffee. We all are very tired. This one's gonna eat. This one's just gonna, you know, play here. And I'm gonna finish my coffee and yeah, no other plan. Just gonna, you know, relax. So thank you so much for watching our vlog, you guys. Stay happy, healthy. And I hope wherever you are, you got your vaccines, staying safe, good. And we're gonna see you guys in our next one. Bye guys.